Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Fern. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So today's video is really exciting, something a little bit different. I say this with anything that's not really just a normal haul. I'm doing a shoe haul. So a lovely girl called Charlotte reached out to me who works for a brand called LAVISH LUXE, and they basically just sell shoes. And they have so many like springs, summer espadrilles, like wedges, just such summery shoes. And when she reached out and said that they'd like to work on a video together, I just jumped at the chance. So everything has kindly been gifted to me, but this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to talk about it. It's just been gifted for the purpose of a video, so thank you. I've got 4 pairs of shoes here to show you guys. I'm so excited. I've definitely gone out of my comfort zone and chose something that I've never tried before, and I'm really glad I did because I'm so excited to start wearing these when the weather is warmer. It's beer garden weather, you're going out for drinks or cocktails with the girls. I just love these shoes, they just look great. So if you do want to see what I've got from LAVISH LUXE and some shoe inspiration for the summertime, then just keep on watching. So, the first pair of shoes that I have to share with you guys are called the Zara Nude strappy espadrille wedges. All of these I got in a size 5, UK size 5, that's my size. Comes in boxes, every shoe comes in a box. These actually come in little dust bags, which are cute, just to protect the shoe. And they did have, obviously, all of the paper packaging shoved inside to keep the shoe shape, but I've taken all that out. So it does obviously come packaged with a bit more, but I've just kept the dust bags on them. So this is what the wedges look like. I think they are so gorgeous. I love the nude colour, anything beigey nude, give it to me. I want it, I'm gonna have it. And then obviously the espadrille kind of vibe going on, just a pair of chunky wedges. I think the thing about wedges that I've always been concerned is this bit here is quite thin, so I'm really scared that it'll be like a stiletto and obviously like you can wobble over because it's so high. I'd like snap my ankle, but obviously these are really comfortable because they're not actually that high because you've still got the wedge at the front as well. But I love the colour, the material is really good. The quality on these is impeccable, like I can't see anything wrong with it at all. It looks like it's been made really well. The buckle is a really nice gold detail, and then obviously that'll do up there so you've got your little holes. But I think these are so gorgeous, and obviously then I've got the other shoe as well. They don't just send one, you get both. But I think these are so pretty. I like the fact that obviously they do put them in the dust bags just to protect them a little bit more, but I cannot wait to wear these with long skirts, jeans, shorts, dresses, like long wide leg trousers, anything. These are going to be perfect for the summer. So the second pair of shoes that I've received from LAVISH LUXE are called the Indigo Black wrap-up espadrille platforms, again in a size 5. Oh, I forgot what these ones look like. These ones didn't come in a dust bag, I don't think, because I've got nothing around them. That's absolutely fine. So these, again, are kind of like an espadrille style shoe, rather than the whole thing being like woven string, I guess you'd call it. You've got a block of like cork kind of stuff, and then the bottom sole as well. I think they did a version where all of this was like the espadrille kind of material, but I wanted something a little bit different. I really like the style of these. Again, I think they're going to be so cute. I can just imagine these with some like high-waisted mum shorts, little black crop top, just a cardigan in the evenings, chilling in the beer garden. This material is kind of like the faux suede, so it's a really nice soft material. These obviously aren't as high, they are just quite flat, which again, they'll be pretty comfortable. And then you've just got it coming up your foot, and then you just wrap it up the bottom of your leg, which I think is really flattering. Love the style shoe. Obviously again, you do get both of them. But yeah, really like these. Something different again. I'm just so excited to just try something new this year, not stick to like everything that I've always worn, which is either just like trainers like Converse and Vans, or little dolly shoes, or just like your normal flat sandal. These are definitely giving me such summer vibes, and I'm so excited. So I love these ones. The third pair of shoes that I have to share with you are called the L'Oreal, I think it's L'Oreal Black cross strap block heeled sandals, again in a 5, and they do have like elastic bands around it as well, which is obviously handy to keep the box together. These ones did come in a dust bag. I think it might have just been the last ones that didn't come in dust bags. So again, I've taken all the other stuffing out, but it does come in a little dust bag. I saw these and I think they had them in 2 other colours as well. I kind of liked the brown ones, but obviously black just goes with everything. So this is what the shoe looks like. What I really like about these is they just feel sturdy. Like they're quite a heavy shoe. This back bit here is like not going anywhere. They're made really, really well. All the front bit, all the seams look intact. You've got the sole on the bottom. What drew me to these though was the buckle detail here. It does have a little thing to go through. I just haven't put it through there. The 2 buckle details here, and then it crosses around at the front, and then obviously you've got your toe strap as well, because I like everything to cover my toes because I don't have my toes. It's got like a kind of square front to it, which is a bit different because I've not really had anything that's a little bit more square. Everything I own is either pointed or rounded, so it's a nice in between. I definitely think these are going to be really, really comfy because of the chunky heel. You're not going to be snapping your ankle with little stilettos if you've got a pair of these. But yeah, I really, really like these. Black goes with absolutely everything. The only thing when I did try them on is I've got quite like thin feet. So not necessarily thin as in like wide or thin feet, but like really thin feet that way. So where my foot sits in here, this bit is a little bit too big around here because my foot's not like big enough or wide, no, not wide, thin. I don't know what the word is. My foot's just not quite big enough that way to kind of fill the shoe out. So I just wish that this bit, strappy bit here, was a little bit tighter. The toe bit's fine, the ankle bit is fine. It's just the straps here that are obviously a little bit too big for my foot. If you have maybe a little bit bigger feet, then they might be absolutely fine on you. And then the last pair of shoes that I have to share with you from Lavish Luxe are gorgeous again. I'm very, very excited about these. So these ones are called the Brit white snake print espadrille platforms. They're not actually a snake print, but it's kind of like the material and pattern on it that's kind of like a snake print, but they are just white. I love these again. They are the espadrille style, and I just think they look so cute. Again, they come in a dust bag. They're all called dust bags, right? I'm just going to call it a dust bag. So again, like the nude wedges, it has the whole espadrille style going on here with like the string. And then I don't know whether you'll be able to see up close, but it's got like that kind of snake printy pattern on it. It's really, really small and nothing that you'd be able to see from far away. You've got a wide panel here, or wide strap or panel, whatever you want to call it, covering your toes, which I quite like. And then you've literally just got your simple ankle strap there. These are just, I think these are gonna, I don't know, are these my favourite? I don't think I can choose a favourite at the moment until I style them with a lot of different outfits. And another thing, I think on most of them, maybe not all of them, they do also say Lavish Luxe, like on the bottom of the shoe there as well. And this has got the rubbery bottom with the grip on it. It's not like really, really padded, but it's got a bit of padding in there, so they're definitely going to be comfortable. They fit really, really nicely. I just love the style of them. I think they're so cute. Perfect for holidays. If you're going away somewhere sunny, maybe somewhere like that. I'm obsessed with just putting like beaches in the background because I'm so excited for spring and summer. I need it to be warm, I need it to be sunny. I just miss being on holiday, okay? But these shoes definitely make me happy and I cannot wait to wear them. Again, such good quality and they're all so affordable as well. So those are all the shoes that I have to share with you from Lavish Luxe. They do have so much more to offer as well, but obviously I've just chosen those 4 styles out to share with you guys. And Charlotte has actually made me my own discount code, so they're all still really, really affordable anyway. Definitely like the same kind of price that you'll find around the market for shoes like these. Nothing extortionate, but you can actually get an extra 20% off with the code FERN20. I'll pop it in the description bar down below, so go and check it out, and I'll leave the links to all the shoes as well. I hope you enjoyed watching something a little bit different than a normal haul. I have so many shoes, so this is kind of bad that it's added to my collection, but I'm very, very happy about it at the same time. If you did enjoy, please smash that thumbs up button because it does help me out a lot and lets me know that you enjoy my content. And before you go, please click that subscribe button as well. If you aren't subscribed already, it would mean the world to me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!